When his Lord said to him, "Submit," he said, "I have submitted to the Lord of the worlds." And Abraham instructed his sons to do the same, and so did Jacob, saying, "O my sons, indeed Allah has chosen for you this religion, so do not die except while you are Muslims." Or were you witnesses when death approached Jacob, when he said to his sons, "What will you worship after me?" They said, "We will worship your God and the God of your fathers, Abraham, Ismaeel, and Isaac. One God, and we are Muslims in submission to him." That was a nation which has passed on. It will have the consequence of what it earned, and you will have what you have earned. And you will not be asked about what they used to do. And they say, "Be Jews or Christians, so you will be guided." Say, rather, we follow the religion of Abraham, inclining toward truth, and he was not of the polytheists.